So how can you change the pattern lock on your iPhone? Let's get into it and let's explain that. Right, so obviously the iPhone has many ways how you can customize the security. So you need to open up the settings and from the main page, just scroll down a little bit until you find the Face ID and a passcode section. If your phone has Touch ID, then obviously it's going to be called Touch ID and passcode. But right there, just confirm your identity, right? Just type that in. And once you get inside, you can manage all of the different lock types and settings related to this. So you can change your passcode like that. Again, you have to confirm it. But once you do, you can get inside and tap on the passcode options. And this gives you the ability to choose a different lock type, right? So you can get the 4-digit, 6-digit, you have the custom numeric code and alphanumeric code, right? So you can choose to have a password with like letters or numbers only, or you can also choose if it's going to be like exactly 4, 6, or even any, amount of numbers might be your code, right? So this can make your phone a lot more secure, and it's actually a good idea to keep that in mind and also tweak it so that you are getting the most out of your phone. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. That's gonna be about it. That's like the main thing I wanted to show you. Let me know if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.